Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Alibaba Cloud ECS instances with Alibaba Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Alibaba Cloud ECS instances, first, log into your Alibaba Cloud account. Navigate to the ECS console from the main dashboard. Click on the Create Instance button to start the configuration process. Select your desired region and zone based on your target audience or application needs. Choose the instance type that fits your performance requirements. Specify the number of instances you want to create. Select an operating system image from the available options. Determine the storage type and size according to your data handling needs. Configure the network settings by selecting a VPC and a suitable subnet. Set security group rules to control inbound and outbound traffic. Add an SSH key pair for secure access to your ECS instance. Review the summary of your selections to ensure everything meets your specifications. Click on the Create Instance button to initiate the provisioning process. Wait for a few moments as Alibaba Cloud sets up your ECS instance. Once the status changes to running, your instance is ready for use. Connect to your ECS instance using the assigned public IP and your SSH key. Perform initial updates and configurations on your operating system. Install any necessary software packages required for your application. Configure additional settings, such as firewalls and monitoring tools, as needed. Your ECS instance is now fully configured and ready for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.